Remove all previous litter and wash the area thoroughly. Disinfect walls, floor, equipment, feeders, drinkers, and surfaces using an approved disinfectant. Allow to dry completely before adding fresh litter. Use dry, clean litter such as wood shavings or rice husk to a depth of 2 to 3 inches. Brooding area preparation 24 to 48 hours before arrival. Ensure the litter is evenly spread and dry. Use chick guards, cardboard, wood or plastic sheets to form circular or oval enclosures. Use 1 tube feeder per 50 chicks or tray feeders for the first 5 to 7 days. Provide 24-hour lighting for the first 48 to 72 hours to ensure feed and water intake. Place 100 feeders evenly around the brooder circle. Place feeders on paper or directly on litter for easy access. Use 1 bell drinker per 50 chicks, total 100 drinkers. Use clean, fresh water with vitamins and electrolytes for the first 3 to 5 days. Place at least 2 thermometers per brooding area, center and edge of brooder ring. Ideal brooding temperature, 32 to 35 degrees Celsius, 90 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit, at chick level for first 3 days, then reduce by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius weekly. Position drinkers alternately with feeders to prevent wet litter and crowding. Light intensity, 30 to 40 lux during brooding period. Staff must monitor chick behavior every 2 hours, especially during the first 72 hours. Watch for signs of overcrowding, chilling, or overheating. Huddling, cold. Spreading away, too hot. Crowding in corners, inadequate distribution or fear of stress. Use soft tools, e.g., cardboard panels or brooms, to gently disperse chicks if they crowd in one area. Avoid sudden noises or movements to prevent piling. Rotate staff duties to ensure fresh supervision. Refill feeders and drinkers regularly with fresh feed and water. Remove wet or caked feed and replace as necessary. Clean drinkers daily to prevent disease. Adjust heat sources depending on chick behavior and thermometer readings. Reduce temperature weekly as per standard brooding schedule. Stir litter daily to avoid caking. Remove wet spots and top up with fresh litter as needed. Maintain daily records for temperature and humidity, mortality count and reason if known, feed and water intake, chick behavior observations, equipment checks.